Hello everyone, welcome back to this live stream. I mean, this is the continuing part from the previous live stream, and I hope I think you're not seeing the stream. Yeah. Okay. So this is the continuous part from the last stream. So where we comping this shot, and now we are back again. Hello, Elfin. What's up? So let me just type something. Welcome to the stream. Okay, so if you saw the previous stream, so we are comping this shot. So we have this plate, this character plate, and we have this full CG environment in the back. So like that. So we are comping this character on this full CG environment. So in the last part, we structure this scene, and in the last part, I'm facing some nuke issue. My nuke is not working properly, is getting very slow and stucking and just crashing multiple times. So that's the reason we're not able to finish this shot. But in this stream, we will try to finish this shot, and we will show you everything this shot needed to to look real, the CG part. All right. So you can see in the previous we added a lot of things here, but now we remove everything and we try to keep it simple and just to show you the base canvas of the CG render, and then on top we are going to add multiple things as we go. And let me quickly show you what I did. So the first problem in my last stream, as I said, I'm facing that new crashing issue. So how I solve this and what is the exact issue. All right, so let me just show you here in the my asset backdrop what I did. So this is the actual render, right? This is like a 4K render, and for some reason my computer is not able to handle this 4K because we have all these passes here, and when you play this this thing, it's taking time. But currently it's a single frame, but when you are using this thing in here with the match move, it is taking a lot of time, and that's why my RAM also getting full, and that's the reason my nuke is crashing. I don't know. So okay, let me just switch it to the comp so you can see it full screen.
So
Okay.
Sid, I think you can add one frame hold, na?
I tried that
Before.
but because we have these passes and everything now, it's this thing is calculating everything, and I don't know because why this is crashing, but I think this is one of the reason because we did this over scanning, right? And we have those passes here, that's why. So to solve this, what I did the pre-comp, but this is not just a normal pre-comp. What I did, the first thing is like pre-comping, then you can get the 2K resolution, obviously with the overscan. Okay. Then second reason is I'm pre-comping this with all the layers and with the EXR 2.0. So what does that mean? Let me just open my tool so I can zoom in any point. So here we have this cool setting called this interleave. Okay, so by default it's set to channels, layers and viewers, and you need to set this one channels and layers. So what this allow you to do, if I just play this one, I think I'm not able to play because this is a single frame, but I will just tell you, if I just play this one, it will try to play all these passes together
In background, yeah.
in background. I mean, what I just want, if I just select this pass, Nuke need to only calculate this pass and he need to play this pass only. But what Nuke actually doing is playing everything in the background. Okay, so that is the, I think the second reason why my Nuke is crashing, and we are doing all this treatment on top, and then it's loading everything here, and then we are playing all the passes together with the 4K. Okay, so because we have this original 4K, so it's calculating this resolution first. That is the reason. Okay, there are two reasons, like the resolution and this is the EXR 2.1 here. So you just need to select this channels and layers. So then what it will do, it will just play whatever you set it in the viewer, it will play only this layer in the background. It will not gonna play everything. So here I did the same thing. I just pre-comp from here. So now I have this new EXR. It's a 2K, and it's with all the layers we have here, and if I select any layer, it will just play this layer even in the match mode. And then for the data pass, for this we need to do a little bit of different setting because this is a data pass. Okay, so we did the same thing, we did this overscanning and 2K reformat, but in the right node, obviously you need to select the all channels. Remember we have the cryptomat here, right, in this one. So as I said, Cryptomat is a very tricky thing because if you pre-comp this one directly, it will break. So I mean the default whatever the parameter is set here by Nuke, if you render it, the Cryptomat will break. You're not gonna use this one. So to do proper pre-comp, make sure to do all channels, and here I did the same thing, channels and layer. Okay, then you need to set this 32-bit float. Okay, you need to set this by default is 16. If you render this in 16, you're losing everything. I mean by default the data path render in 32-bit. So and the Cryptomat also need 32-bit value, so make sure you do 32-bit here and this thing here. And the last thing what Cryptomat is need is the metadata. By default it's like set to default like this. You need to set all metadata. These three things need to change. Two things for the Cryptomat, you just need to change this metadata and the 32-bit data type, and this is like for the EXR 2.0. That's it. If you render these things, then you have this. And now if I just use Cryptomat here, now Cryptomat will work, and we have this 2K, and you can see the Cryptomat is coming, and I can just easily select. Now it is working. So this is the way you can pre-comp. There are two ways for the beauty and for the data passes. Slightly different setting, but if you do it properly, you will get a pretty good optimized render EXR. So I did that, and then I plug this one here, and then this is the same setup what we did yesterday. And if I play now, you can see now it's playing. I mean it's not lagging that much like the previous one. And
Just add one frame hold na before
here
image
talking about,
frame.
no?
Yeah.
So even if I do this, let's check frame hold. Which frame?
75.
Okay, it's any frame, just a single frame here, right? It doesn't matter.
Yeah, but okay.
Let's do the 75. Okay, cool. So now we have this
play.
match move.
Just play
Yeah,
from
play.
here only.
Yeah.
You play.
So if I play now, you can see it is
Now
playing.
just turn off that. No.
Yeah, let's go and clear the cache and let's turn off.
See?
But why
That's
this
why,
is? Because I got it. Why this is doing? Because this is single frame, but we are reading
It
this
will-
one.
So
Throughout
it
the
will
frame.
read each and every frame.
I rendered this one 150 na. That's why I guess, right? So if I keep it 1, then I think it will not gonna do that. If I just keep it 1 here na, and if I remove this one, I think it will work.
No. Okay. Yeah.
Correct? Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah, because this is the one
But-
single frame, right?
It's my habit. If we have a DMP, na, I always put one frame hold.
Yeah.
If we have a single frame.
Yes, for the security purpose, we can just put.
Yeah,
so
security
we,
purpose.
We not
I
gonna
always
forget.
put one frame hold before the tracking.
Yeah.
If we
now,
have a single frame DMP.
correct. Now it is playing. See in real time.
Hmm.
And after the defocus with the plate purge, it will look. Yeah, see now I can jump here and there very quickly.
Hmm.
Now it will not gonna crash. See it is playing also in real time. So there is no pre-comp. Only the pre-comp is this sky, because this is a 16K image, right? So we need to do the pre-comp for the sky. Okay, so far so good. So we are here now. Let me check the chat, what people are talking about. Yeah,
Is there any?
actually, yeah, excited for today. Yeah, happy Janmashtami. Yeah, happy Janmashtami, Utkarsh. No Phonex. Oh my God, what's the name? Is the Sintha used in the industry, or it's only? Yeah, no man.
equalizer.
Yeah, no man. You can answer that question.
Actually, I don't really know. Most of the time, I only see like Matchmove guy use 3D equalizer. So maybe only 3D equalizer, but I don't know like too much about the Matchmove department. What
Okay.
do you think, Syed?
I think the same thing. I mean, what you said. I actually don't know that much about the Matchmove department, but I think equalizer, I think, is everywhere. Okay. So here what we did, we have this sky and we just did the pre-comp. So this is the exposure from this HDRI. So we are keeping it here. After the pre-comping, we just changing the exposure and the color based on the shot. So we just need to worry about the cloud. So we reduce the saturation and just adding a little bit of warm color here, little bit warm and green. You can see little bit of, that's it. And this is the overall exposure. We are just increasing the exposure. So the value is 3. Okay. Then we just directly merging with this, adding a little bit of light trap using this BM light trap node. If you have a Nuke survival toolkit, you have everything. What we use here, the value is 100 and brightness is 0.1. That's it. And we just plus
plugins. Syed used some Python script for that.
The dot, right? Yeah. So here, if you check my menu, here is this menu called dot graph, and you can see this is the shortcut is saying. Okay. So if I just press this one, this is available in Wikipedia. If I just if I take one merge, and if I just connect this one like this, if I press that dot, it will make that angle. If I press the shortcut, so this is pretty useful, I mean, right? So I will put the link so you can download. So far now we have this node, and you can see we remove everything here. Okay, and we just keeping very simple thing, like we are exposing this one little bit and just adding little bit of contrast here, right? And then everything is empty, here is nothing. And then after copying the alpha and the depth pass, removing some channels, right? And we are doing it overall grading here.
Not with the too much, just yeah. We just reduce the saturation and slightly increase the gamma overall.
Yeah, gamma, and adding a little bit of this color warm.
Because we have a nice lifted background in original plate.
Here is the plate, and this is what we have. Okay, so and let's go to the last frame. Yeah, so the last frame you can see much bigger picture, because here we don't see the character, so we need to see with the character how it will look. Okay, so the first thing I need to change the grass.
First thing, let's increase indirect light for
this thing, no?
Slightly.
We'll increase the indirect light, so we'll tell you what we going to do. So we will increase the indirect lighting on this house. Then we will do the treatment for the grass, because the grass is looking very dead. Okay, and then this car,
and then background trees. And it's looking very CG.
Yeah, first we will do these 3, then we will do the ground and this screen and this shadow area, right? This everything. Okay, let's do one by one. Let's first do this indirect lighting for the house. So
we can add the texture. It's totally up to you, like how you can add some small details and all.
You can use this position pass, and we can add, because if I just show you, I think the one we need to add, because I will tell you why. This here now is looking very flat here.
Yes.
Here is good. See, whatever you added, that's good. But we need some, some from the ground. If you see this kind of dirt from the top, it's also coming from the bottom, right? In reality, so we're going to add. See here, it's also looking very flat here. I know we are doing defocus, but still I think you can see in the defocus little bit when you add. See, that's like we are seeing here now. So we can easily see if you add something here.
We can add, definitely.
See, because we have that position pass, and you can use my tool that position to UV. That one, you can use that. Okay.
For now, we will match this colors.
Yeah. Let's do these 3 things. This indirect lighting, grass, and the car. Okay, and then we will move forward. So that's the plan. Let's do it. Okay, so indirect lighting, let's come here. So this is the indirect lighting. So the grade is I'm adding one grade, and let's go here. I will check without the defocus for now. Let's increase that and see. Yeah, this is good. I think 2 is good. Let's check with the defocus. and let's
Ju-
check. Yeah.
Just do it for that part,
Yeah.
na?
Yeah. So I'm just checking overall how it's looking. I think see now here we have that strong lighting now. I think we'll need to add here little more bounce light, then it will match. Not this much crazy, but because we have that sunlight directly here now hitting, so need to add little bit. But for now let's do this part. Okay, so we need a mask. So let's first check. Let's press this one, press F8. Let's check data pass, and let's do the cryptomat selection. I think we don't have a selection in the cryptomat. Let's check material.
Hey, we have.
No, it will select everything here.
Okay,
Yeah, that is what I'm saying. So if I select this one here, for example, it will select everything now. That's fine. So let's select these things.
Do a bubble mask and stencil out, na?
Yeah, that is I'm going to do. Yeah. That's why I'm selecting everything now. This is our artifact, right? I think not able to select this. Fine. Okay. So I will tell you how to solve this because you're not able to select that. Okay. For now, that's fine. What I will do, I will keep this one here.
Hey guys, you are still going with the shot. How about rest on weekends?
We for tomorrow we have one more shot, so don't worry. That shot is that no one yesterday show na. We'll do that because that's a full CG shot. There is no character. There is no.
Actually, for like this stream is for only 2 hours. Like max we will do like 5 p.m. today. Then I'm like I'm not sure about that, but I'm going outside with friends and going to some beach and all. So yeah.
Cool. So I'm using this AP mat to make a selection like this using a position pass, and I'm just increasing the hardness a little bit so I can get a selection like this, and just masking out like this. I can get only that part selection. I don't want to select this part. So avoid the roto, because when you're doing a CG comping, try to avoid doing manual roto. If you have these passes, use that to make your mat. So because you don't need to animate then. Okay, this is just single frame, but I will show you get the idea. If you have animated shot, then to animate the roto. But if you have the position pass and everything, you can use that to create a mat easily.
Thank you, brother. Cool VFX.
Okay, so here you can see we are also getting the dots here in the position pass. So to solve this, what I can do, I can just add one filter erode and make this minus. Okay, or we can copy paste this one again, do the reverse.
No, but no need to do this now, because anyway we are using cryptomat.
Yeah, but see, this way, I mean, you are not increasing, but you can just only keep, but it will increase. That's fine. If you don't want to increase the size, just reverse that.
No, but anyway we are doing cryptomat na, so
yeah. No, here also we are getting holes now. Yeah, just remove. I will remove this one. The same thing I will copy paste here also. So we are almost.
That's it.
Yeah, this is fine. So now I made this setup, right? Let me just connect it directly, then I will show you what I will do. Okay, let's connect this one, and now we are only affecting this part.
Nice.
Okay, and I think I need to add a little bit of fall off here. Let me go here. I think
reduce.
Yeah, reduce this little bit. Okay, that's fine. Now let's view. Yeah, now we are only affecting this part.
Looking nice. Yeah.
So now we have a little bit more indirect lighting. Let's see if I boost more, how it will look.
No, it will become flat.
Yeah, it's too much. 2 is fine. Okay, for now. Let's do the treatment for the grass. Okay, for the grass, we need to take this setup, and let's do the selection first. Layer all, and this is the grass. Let me check what we have. Material, object, I think asset is put. So this grass, this grass, this grass. See, you have multiple grass layer. So that's why the cryptomat is very helpful, because he scatter multiple grasses in the ground. So what you can do, you can just select one grass and do the color correction. So if you do that, that way you have more variation in terms of the color, in terms of the brightness. So I will just show you quickly like this. See, I can just go here and I can add more this thing. You can see warm and green, because
it's not in survival Nuke. You have to download it separate from Nukepedia.
Which thing you're talking? He's talking.
Dot.
Yeah. So you can do that, but for now we are just selecting all the grasses except the stones. Yeah, this is also right now. Everything.
Label connection. Cool VFX is saying, as I found actually pretty good alternate to stems. It is so good and not keep extra information in script. Some studio not allow use it. Try to take a look. Label connection.
Cool. We will take a look at that. Thank you for
you select that road also.
Oh,
screen left.
Here.
Near the garage.
Yeah, this.
Wait,
I will disconnect. So let me deselect. Cool. Correct. This much is fine, right? This is not a grass, right? I guess. Let me just check.
It's a ground.
Yeah, it's a ground. Correct. Okay, nice. So we have this selection. So we'll add this grid, and while connecting, let's see with the reference. Where is that reference? This one. We will add a wipe, and let's check. See, we need this kind of green look, right? So let's go here and open the grid, and let's open the gain wheel, and let's do the correction. So we will add a little bit, because this is a warm, so we need to do the opposite first. Okay, so we'll add a little bit of blue. Now you can see it is changing, little bit of blue, and then if I do too much, it will look like this. Then we need to add a green. So first I will decrease the blue little bit like this, then add a little bit of green here, and you can see it will slowly, and little bit add a green, and let's reduce a little bit. Yeah, you can zoom in more like this, and now you can check. Okay, so let's add a little bit of green. So this is the way you can match the color. Okay, so you can take one more grade, or you can take saturation, or you can take hue correction to shift this thing. Like if I take the hue shift, there are multiple ways you can do. Where is that? Yeah, this is the hue rotate, so you can rotate this one like this, but I think in this case this is not gonna work, so I will do it here only.
Can you just do
saturation,
this thing, color mapping using grade? Simple.
I think in the I don't think so we need it. I mean, it's just a simple thing. Let's try. Color mapping technique is good. Yeah, I think in the grade itself I can do it. Okay, so let me just reduce this, and
yeah, it will be simple. Let's actually have a compare on bottom. Always check red, green, blue per channel mode. Yes. We do
RGB, right? You're talking saying like this. I'm not doing it because this is just a color channel. If I do that RGB thing here, it will also change the luminance. See, I will tell you. If I do that here, for example, if I just do it here like this, okay, some random values, for example. Okay, now if I just show you this thing, like check the luminance now. See, I change the luminance, which I don't want, because this is a color channel. Okay, the light information is here. We need to change the light intensity here, and the color is here. That is the correct way. If I do it here now, it will also change. If I open the wheel, you can easily see here this is the luminance thing. See, I changed to 1.4. Why? Because I mess around with this red, green, blue, and the same red, green, blue is here. See, this is the value. If I change is here now, you can see this thing is changed. The luminance is changing, which is not the correct way. That's why I'm always use this TMI, temperature slider. Okay, that way you can see the luminance is not gonna change. It will stay where I want. So in this case, I don't want to change. That's why I'm keeping it 1. So that's why I'm not doing that thing.
Nice trick for keep luminance, match
Yes.
exact color with the plate, then go ahead
Yes.
in gain.
Yeah, you can
Gain
just
0
add.
depends what you are tuning and set value to 1.
What is saying? Nice.
And it is nice after no change in luminance. Okay. So I think he's trying to tell first we will match with this color and then match the luminance again.
Yeah. So that's why I'm not matching from here. I'm just opening the wheel and doing with the TMI. So I don't want to mess around with the luminance, because that way I'm accidentally changing the luminance. Okay, so I think the luminance is okay. See, I think luminance is okay, because this is the way this ground is dark. That's why this thing also looking dark. But here is fine. I mean the luminance is fine. Just color into match. So let's go here. Yeah, it's getting close. I think overall I will reduce the saturation, because here it's looking good, but here you can see we have little bit of saturation. So I will reduce this 0.8 maybe. So these two nodes you can see from here to here. Okay. Now
and I think we have to slightly increase the contrast on grass.
Yeah. So for that we need to go to the direct pass or indirect pass. Okay. So we don't need to touch here. This is just for the color. That is the whole purpose of this diffuse color. If I do the luminance change, then we are just breaking the this CG rebuild. That's it. Okay. So we have this selection, right? There is one thing I just want to tell you. That's why I keep this thing here on the top. Okay. So imagine if I'm here. So I want to use this mask again for this pass. So now I have two options. What I can do, I just copy paste here and then I can use, or I can just keep this one here and I can directly use it. I don't want to copy paste these things, so I can just connect it here like this. Okay. You can use this and you can also do the copy paste, but if you need to keep it very simple. Why just copy pasting and why connecting like this? It will mess. It will create a mess. Okay. So the better way is, if you are using the selection or any asset in your script multiple times in multiple areas, just make a stamp. Okay.
Yeah.
So what I usually do, I just place this one here. So this is my asset backdrop, and here I will make one more backdrop. This is like data. Just renaming data and making a bigger like this. See, for this render we what we need couple of selection, like for the grass selection, road selection, and these two selections, and maybe this tree selection. So these are the global selection we needed to do the correction. So you can do like, I'm just copying this from here, placing here, because I need that grass selection in multiple areas, right? I need the grass selection in the diffuse color, direct and indirect, maybe here also. Okay. So I will place it here and this one here, and I will disconnect this one. I can make a stamp. So this is like house mat, no? House mat. I'm just calling it house mat for now. Okay. So I can use this one here, where that was connected here, right? Yeah. I'm just connecting here. This one here. So that way I can just connect the stamp. What I will do, I just copy paste and connect like this. Keep it simple. So now I have just one asset. So if I change this asset, it will affect everywhere if I use that. So similarly, this is like grass one, right? grass all. Yeah, it's contain all grass, right? So I'm just renaming this one all, so I can just connect this one here instead of copy pasting multiple times like this. Cool. So I need this thing here, so I can just copy paste this one, connect here. So this way you're not copy pasting bunch of node multiple times here and there. It will make your script slow basically. So this is the another optimization so you can do. So now just I copy pasted here, and you can see it will look clean. We have a sources here, and this source is coming from here, right? So it's a chain. So we have this asset, we are generating some mats, and then we are using these mats here. So it's like a link. Everything is linked together. So let me just do the like this. Okay, so now so far we have these two selection only. So let's try. And yeah, here in the grass you said Noman we need to add contrast, right? So I'm adding this one. Let's do the gamma down and gain up. Yeah, I think I need to do this in overall here. So let's see how it will look on the grass only. So because here we are combining this team, no? So I think it's better to do it here. Okay, let's view and let's do the change.
Dang, I have to project without stamp and missing it so much. It is mega nice tool. Mega nice tool.
What is saying?
I have to project without stamp and missing it so much. It's mega nice tool. We can slightly decrease the luminance. Also good after a cryptomatte shuffle for set pure alpha color in all channel RGB to white, because I found out some mask using to color and for is really not useful. Hello?
Yeah.
Okay.
What he's saying? No one?
And one more trick, please always use remove node to keep only alpha, because you merge a lot of into a string.
See, I have alpha here. So
no, here after CG render a pipe. No.
Where?
Here. He's saying put one remove and keep alpha.
But why? We are only copying the alpha, right?
No. Okay, he's saying after cryptomatte. Like
okay. I got it. He's saying like here, na? We are using here from here talking about. He's saying here, add here.
Yes.
So we don't need to carry this channel, right? He's talking about.
Yeah.
But I'm not sure this will help, because maybe it will help because we I don't think so, because that's why I render this in what you call this EXR 2.0. That's the reason. If you are keep by default you get any render, na, it will have this thing channel layer and viewer. That's why it's getting slow. So if you have EXR 2.0, na, it will be much faster. It will not gonna load those layers, na, so it will play very fast. Okay, for now let's check this. I think the saturation is too much. Let me just keep it here. Yeah, no man, you saying something?
Yeah, he's saying just check how much channels you pull into stream. It started heavy.
See,
it start heavy.
The channels, if I select here now, I will show you. See here it will tell me the channels, how much channels I'm carrying.
No, here below also. Na screen right side bottom 97, I guess, channel count.
Here, yeah, that thing, na, yeah, here. That I know. Here you can see this is like telling me the total channel. Okay, how much channels we have everywhere. This is not that all the 97 channels in my stream I have in the comp. At the end you can see how many channels I have: RGB, depth and depth extra. That's it. And from here, if I view from this remove node, I have this many. From here I have these all channels. So to optimize this much more, what I can do, I can add remove after this shuffle here. So I can just keep this like RGB like this. So I can just copy paste this thing everywhere.
Actually, we have that AOE fusion, right?
So
It's
we have a tool.
yeah.
So in that we are doing it everything. In
Actually, we have one tool for light rebuild.
But
In that tool, we use this remove and all thing for optimize. But here in stream, we are not using that tool.
Yeah, because no one have that tool. We just want to show the
that tool.
Yeah.
You can show that tool here, right? For
so if I add all the remove, then if I check in the merge, you can see only we have RGB. We are not calculating all the layers, right? And here also we don't have anything, just RGB, and then we have this depth pass at the end. That's it. So it's a good way to add remove node everywhere, but I'm not adding here because I think this in the data paths we only have a cryptomat mostly, and the depth and normal and position.
Just use AO fusion once, na?
Yeah, I think I have, right? AOV fusion.
Yeah, but you have to select the pass first.
Yeah, I know.
Layer.
So it will work here also, right? AOV. Yeah. So I will select everything. No, I need to select only light paths, correct? So I will select these two light paths because this render have light paths. So I will select this one, and I have this. You can see no one. I have this one.
Yeah, updated version.
I have latest one. See the guys. See how the colors in this node. Pretty good, right?
Actually, this AOE fusion created by one of our friend Subham.
Yeah, this is the menu you
get. Yeah.
Inside you will see this is the structure. So this is like based on the multi-light formula. So we can just view this is the light 1 and this is the light 2. Like basically see the like HDRI lighting, and this is the sunlight directly. So these two light you get this beauty render, and you can do changes here like this. And inside we optimize it how much we can. So everywhere you will see these things, and you are just outputting. So this is basically like a like a rebuild, but it's a light rebuild. It's not a shader rebuild. So this is like very good one, but this thing only work for the light passes.
Yeah, it's a light AOV tool basis.
Inside it just plusing this thing because
multi-lights.
Multi-light require only plus mode, so you can just plus it and you will get it. So if you have light passes, you can use this one. I mean, it will pop up this window, but here it will show all the passes. You need to select only light passes. It will not gonna work on the diffuse because, as I said, this passes what we call require different math operation like plus, multiply, right? These things is required. That's why. Okay, that's why we are not using. We just want to show you the shader thing because the light path is just a 2 light passes. So it's very simple. Yeah, I mean there are a lot of tools that can do that light you're talking about. There are many tools like this. Okay, let's continue. Yeah, I think Norman, what do you think? It's fine, right? I guess. Let's see this in the wipe.
Luminance is not matching.
Luminance you're talking about, or the color? Luminance, right?
Luminance.
Oh, so where I put it? Oh, I didn't put it. Yeah, I forgot to put this grass mat. Yeah, it's copy. Yeah, it's here. Yeah, it's match the luminance.
Sure.
It's bright, right? Need to reduce that then. I think it's fine, right? Okay. Because it's a different surface. Because this thing is dark. I mean, this see. Because that's why this thing also looking dark. I think it's fine now.
I think slightly reduce the warmth. Slightly.
Yeah. Because we reduce the luminance now, we can see more color now. Let's do that.
No. Green. Reduce the blue.
Okay. I think fine. But I have a saturation also here of this. Yeah. So I think saturation is needed.
Now it's
Yeah, saturation needed. I think okay. The grass is okay. I also need to do the treatment for this red one. I think I don't know. I think it's looking good, right? This thing is bright compared to grass. What do you think? See, this thing is too much bright, I guess.
Use gamma instead. It is need to push dark area for grass. He's talking about.
I don't think so. Grass is needed that much dark because sun is directly hitting, right? So let's add and see. I already have a gamma here in this one. I already pushed the gamma down. If I push it too much, let's push too much. See, we don't need that much darkness because the sun is directly hitting. I think this is fine. We have some dark areas here. This is the ground, right? I think the ground we need to treat the ground also. The ground is peaking very bright. Okay, so we'll make a mat here again for the ground. Crypto mat. Okay, where is the ground? This is the ground, right? Okay. Let's now connect this one here and we'll see. Direct light. Yeah, I think it's too bright. Which part you're talking about? Need to push it's yellow and white. Which part? This thing. Okay, let it see. Push it too much, I think this is fine. Yeah, so if you're using only for the one part, then I think you don't need to copy paste this thing multiple times. Yeah, I think this is also, we need to change this color. It's getting magenta here. See, one
bush,
right? This thing getting magenta here. So where that thing is, yeah, here indirect lighting only. Indirect and direct lighting. Yeah, see, it's here.
He's saying for bushes.
For the bushes. Yeah, see here how this is looking after the defocus. It's looking like this. Okay, and in the plate and this thing, if I compare, bushes means he's talking about this one, right? I guess these bushes. Yeah, these bushes need treatment because yeah, it's a yellow, correct? It need to little bit match closer to this and this. I will do this separately, but for now let's focus on the other part. Okay, this is overall done. Now let's do the car. So I want to show you the car one. So in the plate we have this nice car and with the warm light hitting here, and you have this indirect lighting here also, right? So in our it's looking very dull. We need to do that same thing. So for the car we have, if you check here in the direct light, we have some lighting for the car, but if I merge it here, if I let's do this grade and just to show you. So the diffuse is very less in the car, see. So I will not gonna touch in the diffuse area, we can touch it here. Okay, so if I view it here, you can see mostly the car is there, everything is very less, so the car is very reflective and everything. And here we don't have car, right? Yeah, so only this, the glossy thing. It's not just it's not just increasing the gamma for the car. We have pass it, right? So I will treat it each part pass separately, and you can get it the color. I mean the look. So
Nuke, is that any script which you are using for making it so sleek and lines are clean?
Nothing. I'm just going in the preferences and I'm changing from here whatever I need. So that where is that?
Node graph.
Yeah, node graph here. Here you can change. If I do this auto label, yeah, No, where is that highlight one? I forgot that. Okay, so here you can change the lines color. So here I change, see that green going down, red going up, blue going this side, you can see, and orange this side, other side. And you can change multiple things here. So I think where is that node color? Yeah. So one thing I did, I make the nodes flat. If I do this on, you can see it look like 3D. It give the little bit of shadow and everything. So I don't want that. I want flat look. So I keep this like this. That's it. And also change this, this color of this thing. So we can go and do the multiple things. Okay, for the car we have this indirect glossy, direct glossy, and the color. So I'm not gonna change the color, I will change these two. Okay, so let's go here. Let's first do the glossy and increase, because it's looking very dark. Sun is directly hitting, right? So we need that light, just like we have in the plate. See the brightness like this. Okay, let's go here and increase that. Okay, and let's increase this 3. Maybe 2 is fine, I guess. Let's increase that. Now this is the direct lighting. Now we have this indirect lighting. If I add a grade here and push it here, now you can see it become a dark in the indirect. Let's check with the plate. Let's add a wipe. Let's do like this. Now you can see the car side by side, and now you can see the how much the indirect lighting is here. Obviously the color is different, but you can judge. So I think let's check with the luminance. Yeah, with the luminance it will look pretty dark because this is a white car, right? So but I will try to increase a little bit. I don't want to match too much because this is a red car and this is a white car. Okay, now with the direct light, let's decrease. We need to add this warm color. We don't have a separate specular pass, we just have this overall glossy. So let me first change the color. I will put this
try to make highlights from spec. It's not enough, or dull spec.
I know. So I will just add a color first. You don't have a separate specular path because this is
glossy is
blender. This thing, no, I mean we have this overall, right? Yeah, keying, I know that is the option, because here see we have this overall glossy thing. I mean it's contain everything. It's not just, we don't have that direct and indirect specular pass. If I have that, that will be very easy. So let me just first match it overall, then we'll do it. Keying is the option, I know that is the last option. Okay, let's match the warmth. Let's boost the light. Yeah, and so now it's getting more orange, but we don't want that much. But let's reduce and keep it little bit. Yeah, see it's now becoming blue here. So let's increase. I think this is fine. I don't want to push it too much. If I just off this, so let's see. Maybe here I added a color, right? So yeah, from here to here. I think the brightness is too much. I will reduce the brightness. I don't want this much because this is a white car, that's why it's reflecting fully. That is one another reason that why this is looking so bright, because this is a white color. White color reflect light 100%. Okay, this is not a white color, right? So it will not gonna reflect this amount of light. So I will keep it 2.5, I guess. Yeah, what do you think, Naman? This much brightness is fine, right? Compared to these areas. Okay, I think it's burning now. Yeah, I know, that's why I reduced this. Now I can see this proper detail. White car will look burn. Try to reduce brightness. Yeah, see now I think it's okay, this much of brightness. And what about this? Yeah, I think this is also fine. But there is one more issue here. We see this thing getting pure black. See, it's getting pure dark. We need to add some information, and this is because of, let's check. Oh, here is we have match mode, right? Disable. Yeah, we need to add information here above here, I think, for that. So now because of the overscan, the tires are somewhere here. I'm not able to see. So what I can do, I can add just one transform just so I can see it here, and I can just push it down. Now I can see the tires. So I'm just connecting here, and I have this information here. So let's just add one crate and let's see where we have this information. Yeah, direct. I think it's a indirect. So if I connect the crate and just push, no, the gamma, I guess. Yeah. So we have some information here, and if I do the overall here, let's see. Yeah, we need to add little bit of information. So add some input. Yeah, we will add.
Sorry guys for controlling and messing.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, we have normals. I show everything. So we have normals and everything, but I don't want to do that normal relighting now. I just want to show how you can use these passes and make it look good. I think, yeah, see, and if I keep this one and if I check here just the tire area, are we getting any information? Yeah, we are getting. So see here, we can also see this label. So if I increase this, if I increase the gamma, yeah, we can see little. So we need this kind of information, but only for this area. So I will just keep it here and view it here. All right, and I can do a matte. So I will just grab my data layer, and I will take a AP matte here again for that part, and I can add transform here, and I will do the scale down first so I can see that area overscan. So just select the position and just reduce, so I can see here, and I can make selection. So you can just view from here and open these properties, and you can make selection. For example, this tire part, see, I can select here. So keep it to, no, I think it's not allowing me to select. Okay, fine, it should. Yeah, okay, let's select here and view here. Now let's reduce this and reduce the height. Oh, it's a blender, right? So it's a different. And let's move this one like this, and I think in the X also I can move. Yeah, so I need this side, right? So I can move it like this. Okay, for now I will keep this one like this. I can delete this one. Let's see, I think I need this. I needed this in one area, so I will just directly plug this one here. And if I view it here, and yeah, see, now I have this information. I will push this in this side because it is visible. And the size. Okay, let's see how it will look. Yeah, but we need to remove this. See, it's coming, the mask is coming outside, but you get the idea. See, now we can see a little bit of detail instead of the dark patch. Let me just place it here. Add that transform again.
Already used to in black match, for black match.
We
need some, yeah, we need some detail for that black part. That's why we are doing this.
It's not black match, is like we match it overall, but locally we have to do these things, otherwise it will not gonna look good, because the black match is matching this area nicely. Black match like overall is lifting and everything, but if I do the black match, we are losing the detail
here. Yeah,
that is the disadvantage of doing black match. I mean this toe, we are going to lose the detail. We need to bright this area, okay, basically you need to do a counterbalance. Then when you add the toe, you can see you still have that detail. That is the whole point. If your source doesn't have detail, then this will not gonna bring detail, it will just lift. We don't want to lift, we want to add detail, I mean the shadow detail. See, like this, I want this kind of information, because in the CG render it's completely black, that's why. Yeah, I want little bit of information. So I think it's very tricky to get the matte properly, so let's me just move this one here and let's push it back and keep this hard edge like this, and let's check. Yeah, so I will push this even more. And scale this like this. Okay, so what I can do, I got that mask. Now I will do the selection based on that light. So this is right. So I will do the simple keyer. So I will connect this one roughly, and just to see the where I'm selecting, I'm adding this transform, and I can get this, just invert this, I can get this information. I think this is fine, the selection is fine. So let's do this and mask out. Okay, and let's connect this here, and so we get this. Now I can just make this bigger and make it harder. Yeah, like this, and push this back. Yeah, so we can get more information in the tire area also. So let's delete this and connect this one here. Now if I view, I can have some more detail. Now it's not looking flat. See, I can read the tire logo, whatever it is there. You can read it nicely.
It's not logo, it's highlights.
No, I mean there is some logo right here.
Is it? Check in color.
Yeah, check. I think there is some. See.
Oh.
Text and something is there. I saw that before. So that is, see, now we get a bokeh shape also there. Previously it's very dark. See, nothing is there. We have this grass is getting bright, so we can remove that. Where we have that bright grass, let's check. Yeah, in the selection, so I can just remove that grass like this. And from here, yeah, we don't have now. That's fine. So we now overall increase that thing. Now the car is looking good. Now we are in the last frame. Now we have some information. See, we don't want completely black, so I can try to push more.
Increase the gamma.
So we can get, see, it will look good, but we don't want this much because it's a fully sunny, right? So it will be dark but not completely black. Maybe 1.5 is fine, I guess. Right, better now. Yeah, namaste guys. Yeah, try for the informative.
Thank you for the informative.
Yeah, okay, so this is this, and now this thing done, grass is done, car is done. Let's fix this. This is looking pretty dark, right, Naman? See, pretty dark shadow. I don't know where it's coming, but let's see. We have this light. This is direct. Yeah, see, in the direct light also it is dark, very dark. This is not, yeah, because of the tree. This tree is very dense, I guess. That's why.
We have increased overall gamma globally, but I think still we have to increase.
Yeah, there is no gamma. I removed that. Yeah.
No.
Where?
Yeah. Increase the gamma, na? After saturation, globally. After.
Yeah, here, na?
Yeah.
I think we increase it, right? Yeah, see, 1.2 is there already.
Yeah, increase bit.
So
Hmm.
yeah, I think this is fine. So we can see more information here also. Yeah, I think, but still this is very dark, I think, compared to this, right? So let's do that treatment for this part. Yeah, it's contained in the direct light, so I will go to the direct light. Right. Okay, so for this I will make one selection. I mean the same selection what I did here with the key light, with the AP matte and the keyer node. Okay, so I'll place this one here. One I will just connect directly to my source. Okay, let's make the AP matte selection first. It's very big, and let's see. Yeah, okay, I think we'll reduce that if it's required in the X axis. Yeah, like this. Okay, we'll keep it like this. Let's see this. Yeah, we have this selection. Now let's see the mask. Yeah, so let's move this. In the X axis, so we can get that. Let's reduce that. Yeah, I think this is fine. We need a little bit of fall off too. So let's add one grate and let's connect. And let's view at the end. And let's increase the gamma and see. Yeah, but you don't want that much. Let's increase little bit and see. Yeah, I think we need to reduce the saturation also in that part. So now I'm using that this thing multiple times, right? So
Nuke 13 version 2, I think we are using, right side?
Yeah, Nuke 13. Yeah, Nuke 13 I am using. Yeah, so I'll keep this here, delete this, and I will use this render.
Someone is asking for dots. Node is showing name dots is defined. How to fix that? It's not defined.
Okay, I need to check the version. I mean, which Nuke version is I mean this thing compatibility. Need to check that. Okay, so I will make the stamp for that. Big tree shadow matte. Okay, so I can use that in multiple areas. So I can just use this one here.
He is using 14.
Yeah, try in 13 and see. I think it will work in 13. So I think let's use the saturation and reduce that amount. Yeah, now it's better compared to this. Yeah. What do you think, Naman? This much is fine, right? Because previously it's looking way too saturated, so I reduce this little bit. See, little bit of reduction. Fine. Okay. Okay, now I think these things we have in the plate. So for that road, you can see how dull this is, Naman. So we're not gonna go this much of darkness, but we try to match closer to that part. Okay, so if I wipe now, I can just tell with my tool. So this road is this road, right? And this thing is this.
Sorry, ask again, but I can't find anything online regarding the stamps. Is it limited because of India stamp?
What?
You mean stamp tool that we are using currently?
No, it's saying is it limited because of indie version of Nuke, I think.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. I'm not sure. Just go to the Adrian website and check there. I think that is the best place to check the compatibility and is it supported to indie or not. Okay, so for that we need selection. So let's grab this and put it here because we will going to use that multiple times. Okay, so delete everything, force update. Sometimes this is not working, so I need to take a new cryptomat, add here. Now I can just select this. Okay, these two I will do these two first. Let's make stamp road site. Okay, let's first do the brightness adjustment, then we will check the color. Let's view it here. Okay, okay, now I need to match this. Let's press Y, check the luminance, and let's reduce that. Fine. I'm not gonna match exactly because it's a different surface, it's not the same thing. So but overall I will match. Let's check if I just turn off.
I think it feels slightly magenta now.
Yeah, I'm just matching the luminance first
Okay.
after the color. So I think I need to bring more color. Yeah, this much is fine, I guess. It's need little bit of color, I mean the brightness. Yeah, from here to here it's looking good. Previously it's looking way too bright. Okay, now let's go to the color, copy this thing, place it here. Now let's check the color. I think, yeah, first obviously the magenta is high, so let's go to the gain and reduce the magenta. So opposite color is green, so we need to add a green little bit. Okay, let me just check with the reference. Reference have different color, but we'll see. It's pretty yellow, you know, see. So okay, let's do that.
I think you are doing something wrong with your this menu.py or init.py path.
Yeah, just check that. I'm not sure about this thing. I installed this one way before. I mean, it's very old. I mean, it's not something that I installed recently. Yeah, see, full VFX is saying in Nuke 13 is working well. So just check the Nuke version. I mean, which Nuke 13 version you have. That is also going to, you know, affect
the magenta bit. No?
Yeah. See, this thing is magenta a little bit, so but we don't want to go this much of thing. Let's check now. Yeah, it came from here to here. I think it's looking a little bit green, I guess.
Green.
Let me reduce little bit of green. We need a little bit magenta because we have that kind of light. Yeah, see, now it's okay. Now see the road is how much magenta road is compared to this. So let's match that. Okay, let's make one more selection for the road. In this part I'm not I'm not for the road, and this side I'm not changing the indirect light because this is light is directly hitting, so there will be no indirect light here. That's why I'm only changing the direct light. See, now the cryptomat is not working properly. If I just do the clear, see, I'm not.
Format's working fine. I don't know why. Format's working fine.
Yeah, I know. Fine. So I'm just taking new one and I'm just selecting again this road. This is also part of the road, right? I saw that.
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
See here. This the different patch.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's see. This is not the road. Is it road, that part? No, it's in shadow area. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so this is the road. Okay, let's first match the luminance. So this is the idea, guys. Just match the luminance, match the color, and you're good to go. Okay, let's view it here. Yeah, see this road and this road, very different color. Luminance is okay, I guess. Yeah, I will reduce little bit. The same, but let's reduce little bit. This is fine. I think I don't want to reduce too much because I mean it's a different time. here and here. So let's reduce. Yeah, this is fine, right?
Mm-hmm.
From here to here. So the luminance is okay. Let's match the color.
But
Copy this, paste in the color tab, reset this one. Let's check the color. First of all, it's way too much magenta.
too much, yeah.
Let's reduce that. Let's add green directly and we see. Yeah, it's better now. Let's
now add a bit
increase. Yeah.
blue
Yeah.
slightly.
Here you can
And
see we
reduce.
have a little bit of magenta. If you see,
Mm-hmm.
I think it's becoming green now.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll reduce this. Yeah, no, let's increase this. Yeah, it's getting there.
Yeah, now fine.
Let's disable. Yeah, see from here to here.
Looking nice.
Now I think I will reduce little bit of more luminance. See now one. And little bit of, let's see, let's check the color. Can we refine this more? Let's check.
Feels blue for me.
Where? This road?
Hmm.
Yeah, I will reduce that blue little bit. Let's check. Now I think it's okay. See, because this is little bit of contrast, you can see there are some, it's not a flat. Our road is little bit of flat. So if I add little bit of gamma,
As beginner, inspiring to become a FX artist.
who's there?
I'm curious what key skill or expect for new. Should I prioritize the mastering in order to build a strong foundation of my future work? It's weird. It's working few times home, but when
let's reduce this. Fine. Okay, I think this is enough for now. Yeah. Okay, so if I just compare with this, we don't have slab comp, right? Yeah, we don't have. Yeah, we just have this render now, so we can just directly compare with this one.
we'll just do one slab comp now.
Yeah, we don't have.
Yeah, just do one slab comp.
Yeah, here
quickly.
here we have, right, this one. We can compare with this. Yeah, so this is.
No, don't compare with this. Compare with original.
Yeah, let's
create one.
Yeah, I'm creating here. Just creating one slab comp. Taking this plate and just roto. Copying the alpha like this. Remult. And let me just copy this background also, just so we have something in the back. Let me just add these things also. Okay.
Oh, we have used slapshot.ai for roto.
In the first stream, we talk about that slapshot AI, and we show the demo also. We just take
image blend, na? Image blend.
Yeah. No, I think we need to add, right? Yeah. Otherwise, that frame will not gonna match. So I'm just taking this whole thing.
No. For CG. Yeah.
Yeah. So let's connect this one. So this is the slab comp of this thing. Okay. So let's create a stamp here. Yeah, it doesn't matter the name, right? I mean, the same name is here, right? You're talking, no? Okay. So we came from here to here. So you can see, guys, we came from this raw render with this character to here. So it's looking good because we have all the information in the shadow area, you can see the details. In the raw
Yeah,
render,
that
is completely,
slab comp is looks less saturated. We will decrease the saturation overall for sure.
yeah.
Mm.
I know. Yeah, we can increase or we can just selectively decrease the saturation in some areas. For the back trees, do we need to do anything? I think it's looking good.
Feels.
What do you think?
Mm.
There is one more trick that I want to show. Because we have this very bright sky, and then we are adding the defocus. Now we are losing some information
So much, huh?
here and here. We have that, you can see this. So if you want to bring this back, there is one trick, so you can bring it back. There is two trick actually. One is like you can take the grade and take the same alpha and just grade it down. Okay, so if I just view from here, yeah, you can grade it down. So that way, if I just on off, you will see you get some information back like this, especially in the tree area. I think here also you're going to see, yeah, little bit you can see, but don't do this because this way you are losing the color. You want to maintain the color, so what you can do, we can merge this foreground and background in log space, and then we can convert this back. Yeah, no one is in call. So I can take this OCIO log converter. Okay, I will put it here, and I can convert this linear to log, and I can place this one here. So both are in log. Then I'm merging here, and then I'm converting back. Okay, this. So now you can see this white edge is coming because we need to do this unpremult here, because this is the here we don't need premult because it's a full white image. Here you need to do premult because we have alpha, and then do the premult here. So in between we need to do this OCIO thing here, then you can merge it here. Okay, now if you see, let's check with the defocus, and let's on off and see the difference. Let me just select everything and on off. Now you can see we are getting all the details back here also, and especially in the tree area. If I just reduce this, you will see, yeah, see the wires. Previously we don't see this wire this much. Now we can see a good amount of detail in the wire area because this thing is very thin, right? See, we are getting all this information back. So this will add a little bit of more detail. I hope you can see the wire a little bit. I can see it, especially the tree. Tree is very, this thing detail, so it's filling the gap. So I always try to do this trick when I'm merging something against the bright background. So that is the trick. Noman, you are still in call. We're not able to hear you.
Hello?
Yeah.
See
in the chat, you're in call. So I think the log trick never ends. Yes, the log treatment is very good, for the scaling and for this thing. Noman, did you saw what I did here?
Yes, I know.
Yeah, it's very good. Okay, after this we need to add little bit of lensing and everything. Noman will take care of that. Noman will show you how you can add this. So Noman is controlling now. Yeah, Noman.
My mouse is not working.
Yeah, it's working, I guess, right? But previously it's working. See?
No, yeah. Okay, now it's working.
Yeah, it's working. See?
Okay.
Yeah, Noman. Show us the hazing and what you did before.
Something is wrong with my mouse, sir.
Yeah, check it.
No, something is wrong. No, why?
Yeah, correct. Yeah, we can do the degrain and regrain also in log space. So yeah, if you do a regrain also in log space, that will give you much better results sometime. This is like totally based on the plate and based on the comp and all those things. Sometimes we don't need to do that, it is directly working, but sometimes we need to do that in a log trick. Yeah, it's connected.
Just kicked me, na, once.
Okay, you going to reconnect again? Wait, don't move your mouse. Yeah,
I disconnected.
Yeah, connect. I give permission. Wait, I will just hide this. Wait. Yeah, so I'm giving you a permission, keyboard, mouse. Yeah, now try.
Yeah, now it's working.
1 second. Continue. Yeah, if mouse not properly working, you always could trash it or smash it with wall. Yes, that's a good idea.
No, actually the
Promise
thing is,
it will work.
this Parsec software is not working properly.
Yeah,
So
it's
that
not-
software is causing that issue.
Yeah, we will smash the
I have
software.
very good mouse.
Yeah, we will smash the software, not the mouse, because it's not the mouse fault. Okay, Naman, continue. Now it's fine, right?
Yeah. So I think we need to reduce the saturation a bit slightly.
Yeah. You can take control. You can take control.
I think mine is better.
So it will basically match with the character, right?
Where is the plate? Yeah. Now, did you add light wrap? You already added.
1 second. I just need to minimize this. Wait, I need to minimize this panel. Yeah. Sorry. Continue. So I can see the chat in my second monitor. Yeah, light wrap. I mean, very subtle. I mean, you can check how much is required. Yeah, you can increase little bit. Yeah. Check
Just
the
checking.
result. Check the result. I think it's too much, I guess. Let's check with the focus. Yeah. Yeah, we have sun direction from that side now, I think.
I think it's fine. And if you check the plate, we have this chromatic.
Yes, we have chromatic. Yeah, we need to add that.
So
I think we already added, right? See?
Where?
No, see in the defocus, above the defocus. Yeah.
We have added?
Yeah, previously we added. Yeah, check the color direction. I mean, check the color.
Red here, green here, right?
Okay, yeah, check that. Check with defocus.
Yeah, so it should be 7, I guess. So, see? Red here, green here.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, fine. Nice.
Yeah, because I did same in Slapcom.
But the amount is okay. I mean, the amount.
Yeah, 7. Amount is okay. You can make it 5 if you want. It's totally fine.
Yeah, the character, we're not gonna touch the character because the character is the actual plate. So if you want to blend the character with this,
with mouse, I am about 18 years. Actually, that pen tab is not working with this Parsec software.
Yeah, that's why.
I have pen tab. I'm using pen tab only.
Yeah, we use pen tab only, but because he's controlling my system with that software, it's not allow him to.
Yeah, it's not working properly. So I'm using this Wacom pen tab.
So I also have a similar kind of, that medium size.
Yeah.
Pen tab. Yeah. Yeah, no man. So for the blending character now, we're not going to touch the character. If you want to blend the character, we need to adjust the whole environment. Character is the plate, so we never touch the plate. But there are some exceptions where we touch the plate character, but in this case, I don't want to touch the plate character.
And I am also thinking slightly add haze, not haze.
Top haze, kind of thing. Yeah, try that. Let's see. And we will also going to add little bit of lens distortion. Okay. I know we don't have information about lens distortion, but we will add it manually, little bit of. So we have some kind of distortion going on in the background. I think you can increase little bit more, maybe 700.
No, that's a separate render, Karan. That's
What are
a
you talking
totally
about?
different lighting. That other shot.
In this ENV so far, for that shot, you use the same light. I mean HDRI or change to
No,
the
it's
night
a
HDRI.
fully night shot. We render with night lighting only.
HDRI is not the same HDRI. It's a different HDRI. Because I was thinking to do the day to night to this shot. Is it possible? Yeah, for this shot you can do day to night because you have all the light control, all the passes. That's the beauty of CG compositing. You have all the passes, you can control everything. But for the night you need to add additional lights also. Okay, like a street lamp or tree light, house light inside or outside, then it will look like a night scene. That's why Noman render that scene separately, doing some lighting, night lighting in that. So if you want to do the lighting in Nuke, you need to do the relighting with the relight mode, and you need to place the light in 3D space. Then you can get some kind of light interaction. It is achievable in Nuke, but it's like time consuming. It will take a lot of time to set this. That's why Noma render that scene separately with the night light. Yeah, I use Instagram, but I try to do it with a simple trick like this. I have a separate video about for the depth pass and for the depth thing. It just you can use grade node. You can just remap the black point and white point in the depth, and you get your normalized depth pass. So you can use that.
We have to hit this thing.
Yeah, the match move, right? Yeah, so Numan, what you can do now, before you can just render this one with the match move, and then you can use it. Now we have to do it everywhere, this thing, right? That match move thing. Yeah, add little bit. Yeah, I think this is looking good, I guess. It's look good on the top right corner. Sorry, left corner, top left corner, because we have a sun from that direction. No, see, I think you can add a ramp from left to right. What do you think? Can it look from left to right, so we can see, so we can add more light direction. Is this node not available in Nuke Deep? Which node you're talking about? Histogram. Yeah, histogram is available. If you're talking about histogram. Yeah, the histogram is available. Is by default in Nuke. I think. Yeah, I think we need to add RAM. Just try that. I think because now everything is lifted now. So if you add RAM from left to right now, then it will give more depth. Yeah, correct. Yeah. Deep slice, Sandeep Mitra.
Depth slice.
Yeah, depth. Okay, depth slice.
It's a depth slice.
Yeah, he said deep slice. Then I'm thinking.
So actually, you can use normal grade node. You don't need to use this.
Yeah,
no.
See. You just need to understand the concept. I mean, what this node is doing. That's it.
This is the same thing. Like if you use this depth slice or if you use grade.
Yeah.
So you need to just use this channel here as a depth extra.
You need to shuffle out here because you're doing grade now. You need to shuffle out that channel.
Okay.
Yeah. That node is allow you to. You don't need to shuffle out. You just directly you can select. But when you use grade, you need to just shuffle out. But the idea and the concept is the same. There is no
alpha,
difference.
And we have to use alpha here. So guys, I just shuffle out this depth extra into alpha node. Now we just need to select here alpha, and now if you see now, we have this same range like
Yeah.
depth node. So you just need to select black point and white point.
Yeah, you're good to go now.
So you will get the same selection using the grid node, and you can control it with gamma. Like if
Yeah.
you want to increase the haze level, like
Close
close
to
to the
camera.
camera, you can use the gamma for increasing. If you want to decrease the overall intensity, you can use gain. So it will decrease the intensity overall. So you can use this grade node. You don't need to use this depth slice.
I don't know
It's
where
the
I
same.
found this. I found this in one of the free project file. I'm not sure where I found it. I found this one somewhere and then I saved this in my toolset. That's it. Yeah. But it's just the same thing. It just
Yeah,
save
it's the same
some
thing.
time.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Hmm.
Cool VFX speaking of defocus, are you try using new PXF defocus very fast? Yeah, I know. I tried that PXF defocus and PXF deep defocus also. So you have two defocus modes. So I tried that. It's good. I mean, the advantage of using that is fast, and the second thing is like it allow you to put real camera information, not like the ZD focus have that sliders only. So you can put the focal length, the everything, sensor size. So that will give you accurate defocus based on the real camera information. Yeah, no man. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. So that way we can get pretty good from left to right. Yeah. See. Wait. Now I have a call. I'm coming. Wait. Yeah.
I will slightly increase the blue. Yeah. Guys, what shortcut is used to make a new dot without dot? So Side is use this dot Python script. So you can download it from a Nukepedia. It's a free tool.
Yeah,
I
I will
load
put
better
the
now.
link.
Yeah.
I will put the link down in the video description about this dot tool. Yeah, from the left to right now it's looking good because now you can feel the light direction, and if you have bright light, the camera lens get this kind of haze and blown away.
Also, one thing this tree, we have to change the color. It feels too much CG for me.
Yeah, you can change. No, I mean, yeah. For the trees, we there is no treatment done for the trees.
That's
Yeah, it's just default trees color.
What is this color?
Yeah, make the selection for that. No, take the new cryptomat node. No, this it's working. Oh, nice.
It's you have to force update. Yeah.
Yeah, I tried it before, but it's never not work. I think for don't use that. I mean, only don't select all the trees. I think select these two only, the big one.
I just want to add slightly.
Okay. Yeah, check. That back tree is get different color now, I guess. Yeah, see, it's getting that back tree. See, that is too much yellow. See that?
This one, no?
Yeah, that's why I said don't select that. Make a different selection for that. Yeah.
See now, it was very saturated green, but it's too much.
Yeah, reduce that. Reduce.
See, now we have a good one.
I think what you can do now, you can add more variation. That big tree and the behind tree, make a different selection.
Okay.
Yeah, because now both are looking the same. So deselect that back one. Yeah. Deselect. Okay. So that way we can add more. Yeah, see the color now. Yeah, I think that's it. Only change this
it?
one. Keep the back one. Same color. Oh yeah, or you can change it. See. So that way we can have more, color variation instead of, same tree looking. Yeah, change the
For
color
this,
differently.
na?
Yeah, change it differently. How long are you going? Are you live for? I think we're
Is
going
it
to wrap up in a few minutes, maybe. Let's see.
96 minutes already? 5?
96. Wait, I need to check. Wait, give me
No,
one
no, but
second.
yesterday we did like almost 3 hours, right?
Yeah, now also we are almost 1 hour. Wait, no, 1 second. Almost 1 hour. No, 1 hour, no, 2 hours. Yeah, continue
But
now.
no, cool VFX. Yeah, like I really enjoy what you are giving some correction, and
Yeah,
we really like that way.
yeah. Slow down. Then with the questions and
Yeah,
questions. Yeah.
actually,
Yesterday they are live for 84
I
minutes.
really
Yeah,
enjoy it.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I
Can
don't
I
know.
control
We
it?
never check the time. Yeah, no one you can control. Yeah, I left it. We never check the time. I just check the time. What is the time? Yeah, 4:30. We started at 3, right? No one 3,
Free.
3 p.m.
Mm.
Yeah. See, now we have a different tree colors.
Mm.
So instead
And
of same
also,
looking, so
I
it's good.
just want to increase very spec here.
This is
Hmm.
the indirect specs. Yeah, that tree if you add spec na that will be good. I think in the direct I guess you have more, not the indirect.
No.
Glossy
Just
direct.
boost this thing.
Yeah, boost it. Change the you are changing the color also. Yeah, remove that. Indirect is not containing that much. I mean, try to affect the direct lighting. Yeah, glossy
It's a
direct.
spec.
Yeah, I mean the glossy direct I'm talking about.
No, I think we have to. Oh.
I don't have that option. Yeah,
Okay. Here we have to change.
glossy direct have the information. Add contrast little bit so we can see more pings. Yeah, see. So don't change the color, just add. Yeah, boost more. We'll see. Yeah, it's looking good. Fine.
One more thing. Just
This is the color. Yeah, this is. Yeah, see here we have all the information.
what
Here
I'm
you don't.
thinking. Just
Hmm.
yeah, I think it's good to talk because I am working as a lead and good to share something cool stuff.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
thank you.
junior and mid will come with the experience where we could spread across internet.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for joining the stream, giving your no time, because
Yeah,
time is money, right?
I just thinking.
Yeah. What you're doing? I'm reducing saturation for
Yeah.
the car. Oh,
Uh, how it will look.
yeah, it will look because it's almost contain this
No,
color.
we have to reduce here also.
Okay.
And
I
here, I
have a
guess, yeah.
selection.
Do you have a selection
Yeah,
here?
check the. No, not here. And the here somewhere I have the car selection. No, I guess. Yeah, you can make the with the cryptomat. I think I don't have selection. Yeah.
Just want to see how it will look.
Yeah, check.
It will look awful.
What you trying to do? You are making white car, right?
No, just want to. It's distracting more this red color.
Yeah, so you can reduce little bit saturation, na? Because it's a
No,
red,
it's
right?
fine
It's
for
like
now.
a Ferrari red color, you know.
It's my feeling.
Yes, correct. No Monday will control myself. Yes. Yeah.
This lab comp I did for like very roughly. This is now.
No one add some more, lensing, anything. I mean, then I think we can add little bit of vignetting also, right? Well, add
I
vignetting.
think. We have to.
The top light, right? What are you talking about? It's looking too
We have to
bright.
reduce this.
No, I don't have selection. I need to make one selection.
Full VFX, like in which studio you are currently working.
Yeah.
If you can
No one is curious.
Yeah.
Select that chimney, no one also. That chimney, yeah. The way to look weird. Yeah, cool. Reduce, I think, little bit. Don't go too much to look weird. And
This would you find a reference red carbon sun? It will help. Yeah.
yeah, prominent red color in short. Yeah. I think it's too much dark, no man. You can make it little bright. I mean, it's direct sunlight hitting, right? It's not. Yeah.
Could you try to colors for sunglasses there? I couldn't share yet, but I was from JFP.
Okay.
JFP.
It's a good hint. Okay.
I don't know.
Yeah. No man, that bush.
This?
Yeah, that bush.
Mm-hmm.
Just add vignetting, that add overall, add all the lenses, and we'll see. Add vignetting after the character form.
Okay. Now, I couldn't say that, but why don't you guys prefer to grade the CG under the unprimed and primed? I consider this was. We are doing, bro.
Yeah, we are doing that, bro.
This is primal tier. This is unprimal tier.
Yeah, I think you need to watch the first stream, then you'll understand. Cool. Oh, jellyfish picture, nice.
Jellyfish. Now we have to.
Yeah,
I think
take the bush little bit. It's looking color, and I mean it's too yellow looking. You can keep that red one. Red one is fine. It's like a unique red color,
Yeah. In some space. Now we have 45. 15 minutes only.
Yeah.
We will wrap it in 15 minutes.
Yeah, no one have to go somewhere. Yeah, check this. Check the color also. I mean, I think brightness is fine. We just need to change the color. Yeah, let's check.
Slightly.
Yes, Alfin. We are doing it. Yeah, slightly. Don't. Fine. Don't make it. Otherwise, it will look dull. No? Yeah.
Color wise, I think it's nice and I don't know.
Yeah, little bit of green. Do AB. I mean, off this. Fine. It's a different kind of bush. So, yeah, I know it's still warm. I know. Because we have direct sunlight, right? So we don't want to make it like keep little warm, Norman, I think. Yeah, this is okay, I guess. Yeah, check here from here. Huh. Fine, I guess. Yeah, it's same saturated, but that's a big bush, right? It's not a grass. It's a different plant. So different grass and different plant have different saturation and different hue also. So I think, yeah. See, no one show the without defocus and let's see.
One more thing, I think.
Yeah. Check without defocus how it will look. Yeah, without defocus. Zoom in. Check the bush. Yeah, see, it's a different, little more saturated compared to the grass. I think you can reduce little saturation. I think then until it will work. Saturation only. Yes, you are keeping little, subtle difference. That was not a mask, I guess.
No, this is
It's
the
a wrong
mask.
one. It's a wrong one. The last one, the below
Oh.
one. Yeah, here. Yeah, this is the mask. Yeah. Yeah, fine. I think. Don't decrease too much. Fine. Let's add more
Abrasion. We don't have much abrasion in plate.
Yeah.
You can see. See, you have slightly abrasion here.
Yeah. We are trying to matching with the plate, so not adding a huge amount of aberration.
If we add
No man,
like
you need
more,
to add grain also. So
it will look, some
hmm,
not good. Will look
7 is fine, I guess.
unrealistic.
Yeah.
7 is. I'm just increase and showing. It will look not nice. 5 is nice.
Because nowadays the modern camera don't have that much of chromatic aberration. The old cameras have lot of chromatic aberration, grain, all kind of camera characteristics. But now in the digital camera we don't have that much of chromatic, because the lens now the lenses are very very expensive and very very good. So they have, but not huge amount of chromatic. Okay.
Yeah. Side you can add grain.
But
here.
how? We don't have a plate, grain plate.
You have.
No, this is denoise plate, right?
I have shared yesterday, right?
I don't think so. Yeah, we for now we can just add the default F3 grain. You can add that.
Luma grain.
Yeah, Luma grain. You can add Luma grain. So this is like from Luma picture. We can add that directly. So, but after that we will add going to add DAS grain, because we need to add that plate grain, right? So wait, I will control this one. So
Sure, I think it washed out. Maybe let darker still let specs, but overall not bad. Yeah.
what do you think? Yeah, red car still dominating. Yeah, no one is saying that red car is dominating. It is was maybe a bit darker and still add specs. Yeah, because the color is too much saturated. But the Ferrari have that color, that red rich color. So I'm considering that car is Ferrari. No one is Ferrari.
No, it's Mustang.
Okay.
Yeah, vignetting AP vignette. Have this.
Yes, correct. Yeah, you can add. Yeah, we're adding vignetting. Yeah, it will help. Add little bit of vignette, so can get the focus.
It's 1.4.
Yeah. Yes, I will buy Ferrari, and then I will add in the scene the real Ferrari. Yeah, little bit fine, cool. Okay, do the cropping. So yeah, select that. Yeah, I think you can reframe the shot also. No one. Yeah, after the the grain, do the reframe after before.
I think framing wise it's good only.
Yeah, why? Keep it down, little, see. Yeah, like that. No, move up, I guess. Yeah, I mean, do how you like the reframing. Oh my god, someone just give what you call,
Bro, wait,
yeah, super
wait.
chat. Yeah, someone just give a super chat. What the fly? Thank you so much for the super chat. This is the first time
Yeah,
I'm
I
getting
think
a super chat.
not
Nice,
first time,
thank you.
bro.
Oh yeah, second time. Yeah, this is the second time in my stream I'm getting a super chat. Thank you so much. Yeah, character is looking contrasty because character have some shadows. See, it's not fully in the sunny area. See, he's walking in a shadow area because in the plate you can see close to camera have a lot of shadows because of the
Hmm.
buildings and everything. That's
Or
why.
else you can slightly reduce it.
Yeah, make it little contrast. I mean the whole
Hmm.
scene. Then it will match. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
You don't touch the plate. It just uh, sometimes where sometimes we touch, but most of the time,
Can you just
99%
render?
time we don't touch.
Can you just render and we can wrap it up?
Oh, okay.
Just render it, na?
So
One now.
full frame, right? We're talking about full now.
Full for
So final slash final. I will do MOV
Hmm.
and let's select what the color space sRGB, right? So I'll pick that sRGB here. And meanwhile, Noman, you can just talk while this render going on. Hopefully, this will
Please
be
try
quick.
to add RAM from top across the sky and
Mm.
darkening it. Yeah.
Yeah, correct. I think he's talking about from left to right, or from top to bottom.
Top to bottom.
Yeah,
Top.
please add a ramp
Hmm.
from top across your sky and darken it. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, it's rendering now. We'll check this output. So still there are a lot of work pending in this one. Like I need to still refine the defocus, I guess, and I think the cool VFX gives some nodes, so we need to address those nodes as well, and some inter node like for the ground and the
Sorry.
texture on the wall. You need to add some texture. You can use that position pass to add some textures. I already have some videos about this. Is there any reason why you are using Nuke 13 SS1? No, there is no reason. You can do this in any Nuke. I mean, from above 13, I guess, because there are tools that will not gonna work in Nuke 12. RAM. Yeah. No man, like you did know that ramp from top to bottom from the roof that he is saying, cool VFX. That you show me, yesterday. All right. So after this, I think we can wrap up. What hardware do you have? So the hardware I have Intel i5 processor 13 gen and 32 GB DDR5 RAM and NVIDIA RTX 3060 12 GB GPU. I will try to make a separate video how to install that dot, or I will share some link so from there you can easily install that that dot in Nuke. Currently I don't know how I install that because I installed way before, so I will check that and I will update you. I will update in my server, so make sure you join the server. I will update there. I was wondering if it's for the pipeline or something. I switched to SS 1.3 recently and it's confusing for me, no reason. See, SS 1.3, SS 1.2 is the same thing. Okay, there is no color difference. It's just they're adding more, the camera compatibility. and more, they are just expanding the ranges. I mean, different camera, different color space they are adding. But if you compare SS 1.3 and 1.2 sRGB, they will look exactly the same. So that's why. But why it's confusing? I mean, in Nuke, it is confusing. Oh my god, no one! I got another super chat from Draconic Live. Thank you so much for the super chat. Means a lot. Third super chat. Park. Okay, sure. Okay. All right. It's almost done, no man. Because I'm streaming also, that's why I think it's taking too much time. Otherwise it is render quick. Let me just delete the cache and see. It's not improving the speed. Okay, 1 second, I'm getting a call. Okay, so Noman, you have anything to say before we go, before we show this output? And guys, you can download the project file. Link is in the last stream. After this stream end, I will add the link in the video description, so you can check that. You can download it from, yeah, you can share here in the chat. Yeah. Not just that, in Nuke 15 Plus, you have to set the color space differently. Now there are a separate toggle for color space and viewing space in the right node, for example. Yeah, but here the colors
just
are,
make it,
of course, the same. Yeah.
Pin it now. My comment.
Yeah, pinning it. So you can go here and you can download the project file. I mean, this entire asset, not the script. Okay, so not the script, but you can download the CG, plate, camera, everything you download from here. I pin the link, so from there, from the Patreon page, you can download it for free. Yeah, I think it's done, Noman. So we can just load. Yeah, you load it. Yeah.
The thing is, this is Rexo 9, by the way.
Ah, fine.
Because our footage is Rexo 9, we render as a sRGB. It's fine.
Fine. We will re-render this one. That's fine. So the character need more treatment. I mean the edges and everything, but we are mostly focusing on the environment.
Something is wrong there.
Yeah, the character, right? I guess.
No, yeah.
Yeah, the defocus. I said, no, I need to refine that. I know why this is, happening. That suddenly, because in the ZD focus we need to change that. The slicing. I will show you what is.
Okay. Got it.
Wait.
2 minutes. Oh.
Okay. I will show you where that thing is. Because we are animating now, so we need to change that some parameters there. That slicing by default is set automatic. We need to increase that. Otherwise, we're not gonna get this. See, it's like jumping. It's just stepping. So that thing it's here. So see this automatic layer spacing. So to disable and to increase this max. By default it's automatic doing that. That's why we are seeing that jump in the defocus. So that is the another point. I mean, yeah, see the jump now. That's why here also. So if you face any issue, guys, while animating the defocus size, and if you see the jump now because of this, if you need to off this, and I think I don't know what is the max amount. Something is yeah, we can put 100 and you can just see. But if you add this, it will become very slow. That is the another point. It will become very slow to render. But it will give you very nice, the transition from this point to this point. It will not gonna jump like this. Okay. So we encounter that. We will fix that. Cool. Anything else, Noman, you saw here? Except the character. We need to integrate the character, the edges and everything. That is a whole different thing. Yeah, fine. Exposure looking good. Oh, you're adding the same thing here.
Yeah, slightly we can darken the BG over, but it's fine. It's fine totally.
Cool. Yeah,
Just
overall it's looking good. I mean,
overall it's looking good.
hmm.
Just
I like
we
the
have
red
added
car.
here.
Red car. Not gonna lie. Yeah, someone
Okay.
like the red car.
Mm.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah.
You turn it
So
off,
let's.
right? Yeah. Okay.
Mm.
Now let's check in the X09. Yeah. That's why I said no. I mean, if you're going to match the, because in the plate, the whole, I mean, the
Mm.
buildings and everything in a shadow area, right?
Mm.
Except the roof
Yeah.
part, there is no roof part.
Yes.
See, this whole thing in the shadow
Mm.
area. Only the
Mm.
road, car, and the character are getting direct sunlight.
Mm.
So if you are trying to match exactly with this thing now, then I mean, it's not. We don't need to match exactly,
Mm.
but we can keep it little bit in a shadow area. That
Mm.
so we can get more contrasty look, just like the plate.
Mm.
Yeah, maybe it's,
Okay.
some black matching or distance is washed out. Yeah, exactly. Because it's too lifted, right? Distance. So we need to add that same level of contrast like the plate have.
Mm.
Not here. No, I'm not. I don't think so. The black thing, no one. It's just we need to
Yes.
decrease the direct indirect light passes
Mm.
contribution. If you decrease the indirect light, the treatment we did, just turn off and see. Yeah, see it will become more contrasty, I guess. Like that. See, not like that, but we need to add little bit of kind of this kind of shadow area.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's just a balancing thing, right? You need to balance it more based on the shot. But now it's I think check the toe also, because now it's looking too lifted also. Just check the disable the toe once. It's not that much lifting. Yeah, I think you can reduce the luminance in the toe. Open that. Yeah, go to the wheel. Yeah, reduce that little bit. Yeah.
Mm.
Because we need that black thing, because in the plate we have that black.
Mm.
We don't have that washed out gray look. Yeah, I think the black is a bit lifted. Try slightly pull down. Yeah, pull back. Yeah,
We reduce it.
yeah. Because in the plate we have that black is not lifted that much in the plate also.
Mm.
Yes, cool VFX. Yeah, I think this is fine for now. What do you think, Numan? Or you are doing anything?
No.
More?
Just I think we have to wrap it up now.
Yeah, wrap up, right? Yeah. Yes. Yeah, see, we'll change the black. Yeah, this is too lifted. So I think this is fine. In the car area also. Yeah, see this black. Cool. Let me just, if I push this here, let's check. Yeah, I think this is okay. So we can use this one, or we can just don't use this one. So we can have full render like this. So yeah, but I like this kind of what you call the cinematic format, wide angle. Okay, so this is the output what we did in this stream. So I hope you guys like it, and make sure grab the project file and do your own comp, and please show us in my server. You can share with me. Try to reflect like, try to add contrast to the background. Yeah, will correct. Yeah, so let's try that. So here I will add that, and so like this, let's check how it will look. Yeah, overall you can add. Yeah, yes, I think this is looking good. Let's compare. Yeah, make sure this is Rec 709. Yeah, no one, see, this is okay. Yeah, it's too lifted here and here, so I think this is better. So I will delete this. I will re-render this one. Anamorphic lens style, it's called the cinemascope, I think. Yeah. So this is the cinemascope, what we call the aspect ratio. So this is the aspect ratio of that. This is the normal 16:9 for the 1080p thing. This is the aspect ratio for that cinemascope. Nice, we matched the contrast with the picture. Yeah, I think let's render this one and let's see. So this is a slab comp and this is this render. Go to here. So yeah, let's render quickly. And Roman, we are not able to hear you. You're not talking, right?
No, I'm not talking.
Okay. Yeah, guys, I think this is enough. So I think we are wrapping up. I don't know how much time. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, what do you think, Naman? We are done, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So tomorrow there will be another stream on granite imagery. Naman can share the link for your channel here if you want. So make sure to join tomorrow because on tomorrow's stream we will go to this similar BG but in a different angle. Car is animating, car is going inside this garage, and we have full CG shot that, and it's a night shot. So yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you, Cool VFX, for your guidance and everything. Have a good day, and yeah, same here, same. So make sure to come tomorrow, and you will continue, comping a different shot. Okay, man. So we can wrap up, right? So I will switch the screen, and in 5 minutes I will close the stream. So thank you for joining, everyone, and I really appreciate your time. So we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.